Hello and welcome everyone. We appreciate you taking the time to join us today. I'm Subhashni, a product marketer at Zoho Sign. And in this webinar, we will walk you through the core functionalities of Zoho Sign, explore some of its advanced capabilities, including our latest AI-powered features, and show you how seamlessly Zoho Sign integrates with other Zoho One apps to help boost your productivity and find out why it's the right choice for your business. Here's a quick overview of what we have planned for today. We will begin by discussing why digital signatures have become a must have in today's fast moving business world. Then, I will give a brief introduction to Zoho Sign and walk you through the basics, how to create an account, set up your profile, sign documents, send them out for signatures, and track their progress. After that, we will dive into some of Zoho Sign's more advanced features, including the latest AI powered updates. I will also show you how Zoho Sign integrates seamlessly with other Zoho One applications to help you streamline your workflows. And finally, we will wrap up with a live Q&A session, so feel free to jot down your questions as we go. You can also drop them into the question and answer tab at any point during the session. And just a heads up, this webinar is being recorded and we will be sharing the recording with you soon. So let's get started. So we often think of agreements as formal contracts or legal documents, but in reality, they are woven into almost every part of our lives. Whether you're closing a deal, onboarding a new client, or even making a promise with a simple handshake, you're entering into a form of agreement. Some are written and binding, others are based on mutual understanding. But all of them serve a common purpose. They create clarity, they define responsibilities, and they help build the trust that keeps both personal and professional relationships functioning effectively. And without clear agreements in place, things can quickly become disorganized or uncertain. And that's why, whether we are aware of it or not, agreements play a vital role in keeping systems, teams, and even daily interactions running smoothly. That said, the way we have traditionally handled agreements hasn't exactly kept up with the pace of modern business. For a long time, getting a document signed meant printing it out, signing by hand, scanning or mailing it, waiting on the other party, following up repeatedly, and then figuring out where to store it all or how to keep track of what's been completed. It's time consuming, inefficient, and prone to error. And in a world where speed and simplicity are everything, that kind of process slows us down. And no one can afford that anymore. We have moved well beyond printers, scanners, and physical storage. As the world has shifted to digital, so have our agreements. And thankfully, so has the technology that supports them. Electronic signature solutions have replaced much of the manual back and forth. What once took days or even weeks can now be completed in just a few clicks. It's faster, more accurate, and far less stressful. And this shift doesn't just make things easier. It helps businesses reduce errors, improve turnaround times, and free up valuable time to focus on what really matters, that's getting work done. But even with all the advancements in digital tools, managing agreements continues to present real challenges, particularly for business owners and entrepreneurs navigating increasingly complex environments. As remote and hybrid work models become the standard, document management has grown more fragmented. Keeping track of files, versions, and workflows can quickly become overwhelming. The repetitive nature of agreement processes also increases the likelihood of errors, which can lead to delays, compliance issues, or financial setbacks. And security remains another major concern. In industries with strict regulatory requirements, ensuring the confidentiality, integrity, and traceability of every transaction is not just important, it's more than essential. That's why modern agreement managements need more than just convenience. It demands accuracy, reliability, and built-in safeguards every step of the way. That's where Zoho Sign comes in. Zoho Sign is a comprehensive digital signature solution designed to simplify and streamline modern business transactions. It allows you to securely sign, send, manage, and track documents in real time using a cloud based platform that's intuitive, efficient, and built for the pace of today's business. Also offers advanced features like templates, sign forms, bulk sending, and in-person signing, all designed to boost your workflow efficiency. And most importantly, documents signed through Zoho Sign are legally binding and court admissible, giving you the confidence to forge strong agreements. Zoho Sign is built to support professionals across a wide range of industries from sales, HR, finance, and IT to legal, marketing, nonprofits, e-commerce, entertainment, and more. So no matter what your field, Zoho Sign offers a secure, reliable, and easy to use digital signature you can count on. And Zoho Sign prioritizes data privacy and security, consistently exceeding compliance standards with regulations such as GDPR, CCPA, HIPAA, ISO 9001, and more. This ensures that your sensitive information is always protected. In addition to meeting compliance requirements, Zoho Sign offers a range of advanced features including multi-factor authentication, access reports, tamper-proof audit trails, and digital certificates, all designed to uphold the integrity of your information. Furthermore, Zoho Sign provides various methods for authenticating signers, ranging from one-time passwords sent via email or SMS to the collection of supporting documents for identity verification. And to enhance security further, Zoho Sign utilizes blockchain-based timestamping and trusted document timestamping. These features provide robust evidence of document existence and facilitate the tracking of any alterations or potential forgery attempts. Zoho Sign seamlessly integrates with regional trust service providers worldwide, enabling it to offer qualified electronic signatures in compliance with various regulations. This includes EID in the European Union, Swisscom Trust Services in Switzerland and the EU, eSign via Aadhaar, and eMudra eKYC in India, Sign with SingPass in Singapore's advanced electronic signatures via Trust Factory in South Africa, EMDA in Saudi Arabia, and more. With Zoho Sign, you can be confident that your documents are secure and legally binding no matter where you're located. Zoho Sign complies with various regional and international e-sign laws, including PIPEDA in Canada, the e-sign Act and UETA in the United States, EIDAS in the European Union, the Information Technology Act of the Information Technology Act of 2000 in India, the Electronic Transaction Act in Australia, and other Southeast Asian nations. These legislative frameworks categorize electronic signatures into different tiers: simple, advanced, and qualified, each with its own level of legal significance. And Zoho Sign fully supports all these tiers. And Zoho Sign also ensures compliance by maintaining multiple secure data centers located in various cities worldwide, meaning your data can be stored and processed locally in accordance with regional privacy regulations. So let's say you're in a meeting and your team needs a signature on a time-sensitive contract. Instead of rushing back to your desk or delaying the process, you just open the Zoho Sign app on your phone, review the document, and sign it right then and there. Zoho Sign has native apps for almost every platform. So whether you're on your phone, tablet, or back at your desktop, everything is right where you need it. And it all stays in sync across your devices, so you can continue seamlessly without missing a beat or jumping through hoops. What makes Zoho Sign stand out is how well it fits into your existing workflow. It integrates effortlessly with over 20 Zoho applications, making it a natural extension of the tools you already use. And if you're working with other platforms, no problem. Zoho Sign also connects with popular third-party services like Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, Dropbox, Box, HubSpot, Zapier, and more. All right, let's get started with the basics of Zoho Sign, beginning with how to create your account. Signing up for Zoho Sign is really quick and straightforward. Simply enter your email address, phone number, and choose a password. Or if you prefer, you can sign up instantly using Google, LinkedIn, or your Microsoft account. Once you're in, you will have two options, either to create a new Zoho Sign organization or join an existing one. If your company already uses Zoho Sign, reach out to your admin and ask them to send you an invite. If not, no worries, you can set up your own Zoho Sign organization for yourself or your business. After logging in, you will land on the Zoho Sign dashboard where you can find the options to send the documents out for signatures and to sign them yourself. And you can also find the documents that require your signature and those that have been sent out for signatures. On the left part of the dashboard, you will find the navigation panel listing various tabs like sign, documents, templates, sign forms, and more. And on the right side of the dashboard, you will find the activity feed, which helps you keep track of your work. Next, let's walk through setting up your profile. Head over to settings in the left navigation panel and then click on my profile under the general section. Here you can personalize your profile by adding your signature, stamp, name, company name, job title, preferred date format, and time zone. Once you're done, just hit update to save your changes and your profile will be set up and ready to go. Now that your Zoho Sign profile is set up, let's explore how the sign yourself feature works. So imagine this: you receive a document from a colleague that needs your signature ASAP. Uh, Instead of printing it, signing it manually, and scanning it back, you can simply upload the document to Zoho Sign, add your signature, and send it in just a few clicks. Here's how you can do that. Go to the Zoho Sign dashboard and click the Sign Yourself button. Upload your document either from your device or directly from the cloud. Once uploaded, you will be taken to the document viewer page. Add a signature by dragging and dropping it from the fields menu. If you need to adjust the formatting, just click on the field to make the changes. And once you're all done, click the sign via drop down and select your preferred digital signature provider to complete the signing process. By default, the signed documents is sent to your registered email, but if you need to send it to someone else, simply enter the email address and hit send. Let's go over how to sign documents you receive. Zoho Sign allows people who don't have a Zoho Sign account sign documents, no account setup required. And when someone sends them a document for signature, they will get a request via email or SMS with a secure link. From there, they can access the document and sign it instantly. And if you're a Zoho Sign user, you can find your received documents in two places: the dashboard and the need your signature page. Just select the document, review the terms and conditions, Then fill in the required fields, add your signature, and you're all set. Now, imagine you need to send a document to your colleagues for signatures. Doing this manually would be a hassle, but with the Send for Signature feature, you can handle everything digitally from wherever you are. So now let's go through how it works. First, click the Send for Signature button on the dashboard, which will take you to the Send for Signature page. From here, upload the document you need to send. You can also choose a document saved in your Zoho Work Drive here. Once the document is uploaded, give it a name and add the recipient details. Here you can enter their names and email, set the signing order if needed, define their signing actions, and choose how the document will be delivered. If you need to send the document to a large group individually, you can use the add bulk recipient option to send it to up to 1,000 people at once. You can also customize additional settings for each recipient in the Customize panel. You have the option to add private notes, set authentication methods, choose the email interface language, and even select which digital signature providers they can use. Scrolling further, you will find the more settings section where you can add a description, categorize the document by type, set deadlines, define the agreement validity period, enable automatic reminders, and include a common note for all your recipients. Once everything is set up, you will be taken to the document viewer. Here you can add sign-off fields. To add sign-off fields, you just have to drag and drop the required fields from the field section. Once everything is set up, once everything is done, click on send, then confirm your details in the pop-up window to finalize the process. Now that we have covered how to send and sign documents in Zoho Sign, let's take a look at how to manage and track them. Head over to the Zoho Sign dashboard and click on Documents in the left navigation panel. From here, choose the category that fits the document you want to manage, or select in progress if you're tracking a document that's still pending. Once you have selected a document, you can check its status and take various actions like recalling it, sending a reminder, extending the deadline, or even making edits if needed. Now let's dive into some of Zoho Sign's advanced features. First, we have templates. You can create templates for commonly used documents and reuse them whenever needed. For example, if you own a real estate company, having a template for frequently used documents such as rental and lease agreements can be really helpful. Creating a template in Zoho Sign is similar to sending a document for signature, but instead of adding recipient details, you only need to define their role. If you're hosting an open house and need to collect registrations, you can easily create a template for the registration form and turn it into a sign form. A sign form is simply a public URL that gives people access to your form, which you can embed on your website or share anywhere. To create one, go to the Sign Forms tab, click Create Sign Forms, select the template you want to convert, give it a name, set its validity, enable OTP verification if needed, configure response settings, and click Create. And that's it, your sign form will be ready to use. And you can take control of app-wide data access with custom roles and permission profiles. You can create and assign these roles and permission profiles to users and user groups across your Zoho Sign organization, defining the user hierarchy to determine who can access what data. This segmentation enhances the security of the documents. Now let's take a look at the new AI-powered features in Zoho Sign. First, document summarization. Instead of reading through pages of text, you can now get a quick, clear summary with the help of Zoho's AI assistant Zia. It gives you the main points in seconds, saving the time and effort. Next, we have key terms extraction. This feature automatically highlights important clauses, terms, and potential action items in the document. So, no more digging through legal language. You will see exactly what matters at a glance. And finally, there's Ask Zia, an AI-powered chatbot built right into the document viewer. If you have questions about the document or need to locate something specific, just ask Zia. And Zia can instantly pull the information you need. And all these features are easy to use as signers or recipients review a document. They will see the AI assistant icon in the top right corner of the viewer, and they just need to click it to access the available tools. And just make sure the AI assistant integration is enabled in your settings and you're good to go. Zoho Sign integrates seamlessly with a wide range of Zoho One applications, supporting key business functions across departments. For sales, service, and support, it works with Zoho CRM, Zoho Begin, and Zoho Desk. For marketing and data management, you can integrate with Zoho Forms, Zoho WorkDrive, and Zoho Doc Scanner. In the HR and recruitment space, Zoho Sign connects with Zoho Recruit, Zoho People, and Zoho Workally. For finance and accounting, it integrates with Zoho Books, Zoho Invoice, Zoho Billing, Checkout Practice, and Contracts. In operations, you will find support for Zoho Inventory, Zoho Creator, Zoho Directory, Zoho Writer, and Zoho Mail. And when it comes to automation and process orchestration, Zoho Sign also connects with Zoho Flow, Deluge, and Control. Now let's check out some of Zoho Sign's popular integrations with Zoho One within the Zoho One ecosystem. We will start with Zoho CRM, flagship customer relationship management software. If you're in sales or work closely with the sales team, you would know the struggle of chasing down signatures and closing deals. The integration between Zoho Sign and Zoho CRM simplifies this process by allowing you to create digital signature workflows for your paperwork. Using this integration, you can send documents to your documents for signatures from Zoho CRM, and this integration also extends its capabilities to Zoho CRM's mail merge and inventory templates, meaning you can use your CRM data to send customized documents for signing. And if you're a small business looking for an affordable e-signature solution that works with your CRM, Zoho Sign also integrates seamlessly with Begin. With this integration, you can handle all kinds of customer paperwork right from Begin, automatically pre-fill contact details, send documents securely for signature, and track their progress without leaving Begin. If you're in staffing or procurement, you will find Zoho Sign's integration with Zoho Recruit super handy. You can handle everything from sending your offer letters and other important HR documents to collecting signatures and tracking them in one place without the hassle of juggling different tools. With the integration between Zoho Sign and Zoho Forms, you can automate both data collection and document signing. Here, when a user fills out the form, Zoho Sign fetches the details from it and pre-populates the signer fields of the document template integrated with that form. To provide you with a practical example, let's say a medical clinic needs to gather sensitive patient information securely. With this integration, the clinic can set it up so that when a patient fills out their registration form, their details are automatically transferred to the document template. And as soon as the form is submitted, the document is pre-filled and sent to the patient for signing. Now, think how convenient it would be if you could send documents to your customers or prospects for signatures or sign them yourself directly from your help desk software. That is exactly what the Zoho Sign integration for Zoho Desk offers. You can select attachments in your ticket threads and send them for signatures for or sign them yourself all within the Zoho Desk's interface. The Zoho Sign extension for Zoho Mail offers the same ease of use. With this integration, you can send or sign documents attached to your emails without the hassle of downloading them and navigating to your e-signature app to set up the signature workflow. Zoho Sign's integration with Zoho Writer lets you draft, sign, send, and track your documents within Zoho Writer, while also allowing you to set up smart e-signature workflows and automate signature collection. For example, imagine you're a lawyer finalizing a contract for a new client. You can draft the contract in Zoho Writer, then use the Zoho Sign extension to get signatures and track the contract's progress without leaving the app. Zoho Sign integrates with various well-known Zoho finance applications such as Zoho Books, Zoho Invoice, Zoho Inventory, Zoho Billing, and Zoho Practice, allowing you to digitally sign and send transactional documents such as estimates, invoices, purchase orders, and credit notes. Here we have Zoho Books to give you a glimpse of how these integrations work. The user interface of the mentioned Zoho Finance applications are quite similar. So if you're familiar with one of these applications, it will be easy for you to use the rest as well. Imagine you're organizing a paid workshop or offering a professional service like consulting or coaching. In these cases, you not only need to send out service agreements but also collect upfront payments and confirm the identity of your clients for compliance purposes. So, with the integration of Zoho Sign and Zoho Checkout, you can streamline this entire workflow. Clients can review and sign the agreement and make a payment all in one seamless automated process. This saves time, reduces the back and forth, and ensures everything is handled securely and professionally from the start. Now, for developers, Zoho Sign integrates seamlessly with both Zoho Creator and Zoho Flow, low code and no code platforms. With Zoho Creator, you can automate signing tasks using Deluge scripting language. This allows you to add logic and triggers to your workflows. So, for example, if you have an employee onboarding app built in Zoho Creator, you can automatically send an NDA for signing as soon as someone fills in the details and clicks submit. You can also create custom functions in any app that supports Deluge to triggering signing workflows based on specific actions. And with Zoho Flow, you can easily connect Zoho Sign to over 500 cloud apps using a simple drag and drop interface, no coding required. And here are a few testimonials from Zoho One users who have successfully integrated Zoho Sign into their workflows. In the first, we can see Flynn shares how he uses templates and mail merge documents across various Zoho apps, which can then be sent directly for signatures through Zoho Sign, making the process seamless. In the second, Chun Huang highlights how Zoho Sign has simplified his businesses signing processes and made document management much easier. These examples offer a glimpse into how Zoho, like how businesses are streamlining their document workflows and staying organized within the Zoho One suite, helping make everyday tasks more efficient and manageable. And that brings us to the end of today's webinar. Um, I hope you found it helpful and now have a clearer idea of how Zoho Sign can fit into your Zoho One apps to make your document workflow smoother and more efficient. To help you get started, we have put together a bunch of resources. You can check out our support articles to explore Zoho Sign in more detail. And if you want to connect with other users, join our community forum. It's a great place to share experiences, ask questions, and learn from others who are using Zoho Sign just like you. And for developers, API documentation has everything you need to dive in and start building. And if you have any legal questions, don't worry. We have got a full legal guide to cover that as well. And finally, if you would like a personalized walkthrough of how Zoho Sign works, just reach out. Our technical product engineers are happy to hop on a call and walk you through it one on one. We also appreciate any feedback you have, whether it's about Zoho Sign or today's webinar. Just write to us and let us know what you think. And for regular updates, don't forget to follow us on social media.